Well, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Don't forget for like, comment, share, and subscribe. Uh, Francis Connolly wins four-way Democratic race for CNU congressional seat. Uh, Squires and Francis Connolly won a four-person Democratic primary election for Central New York seat in the Congress on Tuesday, winning the party's nomination that had eluded him just 2 years ago. Colin hit a 1967 vote lead over his biggest competitor, Sarah Hood, according to unofficial election reports. Colin had 10,277 to Hood, 9,310 votes overall. Colonna had 39% of the vote. Buckley followed it with 35.6%. Now, Colonna will face Republican Brandon Williams in the November election in the 2020 congressional district. The Democrat arrived at his watch a party a few minutes before 11 p.m. to receive cheers from his supporters at the Sultan Warrior Bar in the Syracuse. After thanking them, he declared victory, saying he looked forward to campaign against Republican Brandon Williams. We are fighting for really big things, he told the crowd. Our country and our community is at a point where we face so many challenges. He got the biggest cheer when he promised to support the right to abortion. Political analysts in Washington say they expect the Central New York race to be among the most competitive House race in the national this fall, and one of the best pickup opportunities for Democrats after the retirement of Rep. John Katko, a Seminole Connell, a 44 and Iraq War veteran from Syracuse, had been the partner after winning support from the local and the National Democratic Party and spending more on his campaign than his three opponents combined. The Democratic primary campaign featured the largest and the most diverse field of candidates in the at least 14 years. The two other candidates were Sam Roberts, a former state assembly member from Syracuse, and Cole Majok, a Syracuse Common Council member, is seeking to become the region's first black member of Congress. Hood, a Davidson councilor, was campaigning to become only the second woman to represent Syracuse and the Onondaga County in the Congress. Asked about how close the race was, Connolly praised the Democrats he ran against as strong candidates. I want to congratulate my colleagues that I ran alongside, he said. They are all wonderful Americans who have really served our community and our country in their own different ways. Here's the overall breakdown. The four Democrats agreed on the most major issues such as abortion and guns in the campaign, sharing their platform in a series of community forums and the two debates in the Neo 22 and the district. The district spans all of Onondaga, Madison, and the Oneida counties, and the southeastern corner of Oswego County. In the only significant controversy, a Clifford repeatedly attacked Connell because a political group independently spent more than 5,000 on TV. It is in Miller supporting his campaign. The Protect Our Future PAC says it promoted candidates. They decided to focusing on the pandemic preparedness. Well, thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.